Hey, it's Frank here with Frank's DIY and Homeowner Help COVID Edition Growing Playoff Beard. When things get back to normal, I'll shave eventually. But right now, I am really excited about what I got going on here. Check this out. I was out for a walk around my office in the woods there, and I came across a willow tree. And willow trees are my absolute favorite trees. Weeping willow in particular is probably my favorite tree. And so I thought, I've never had one. Why don't I? Why don't I make one? As close as I can come to making it myself. So I did three things. I'm going to do three things. I took, medium-sized clippings here, which I put in this water, hoping they will root. I took smaller-sized clippings here, and these ones I'm just going to stick right in a pot and see if they root in moist soil. They like a lot of moisture. And then I took some seed pods as well. So I'll try some seedlings, or planting a whole bunch of seeds, and see if they come out. So I'm going to make this a playlist, a sort of series, if you will. This will be Frank's Pussywillow playlist. And yeah, join me and see if we can grow stuff. I'm growing a lemon tree from a seed. And it's probably about 2.5, 3 feet tall. Now I've had it this is going on 3 years now. It hasn't flowered yet. But I just love doing this. I love making something from something else or something from nothing. And if this works out, I'll definitely plant, one or two or several pussy willows out here. Bees love pussy willow trees because they, as you can see, it's April 20th and they're already flowering. So bees are already able to get their pollen and probably some nectar out of these things. And spring food is really important for bees to get through. If you are interested in beekeeping at all, check out my beekeeping channel. It's 4D Honeybee. So number 4, letter D, the word honeybee, all together. I got a whole bunch of videos there, probably 3 or 4 years of beekeeping. And you can check that stuff out. If this works out well, then I'll plant some pussy willows, plant some of these guys, so that my bees can take advantage of them. So we'll do it in stages here. This is stage 1, just finding them, cutting them, and setting up the ones in water. And now I will set up a pot to put these guys in, and then I'll extract some seeds out of here and plant these as well. Thanks for joining me.